హలో ఆల్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అమ్మమ్మ గారి ప్రపంచం. ఈరోజు మళ్ళీ హిందూ పురాణాల కథల గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఈరోజు షట్ చక్రవర్తుల గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. హూ ఆర్ ద షట్ చక్రవర్తీస్? హరిశ్చంద్ర, నల, పురుకుత్స, పురూరవ, సగర, కార్తవీర్య అర్జున. Let's see a small brief about Shat Chakravartis. Shat Chakravartis are very famous in ancient Indian mythology. It is said that they were popular in preserving the Varnashrama Dharma and ruling India in an established manner. We can find these names in mythological stories very often. Now let's see about Harishchandra. Harishchandra is a legendary Indian king of the Ikshvaku dynasty who appeared in several legendary texts such as Aitareya Brahmana, Mahabharata, the Markandeya Purana, the Devi Bhagavata Purana, and the Ramayana. The most famous of these stories is the one mentioned in Markandeya Purana. According to this, Harishchandra gave away his kingdom, sold his family, and agreed to be a slave to fulfill a promise he had made to the sage Vishwamitra. Let's talk about Nala. Nala, a character in Indian mythology, is the king of Nishada kingdom and the son of Veerasena. Nala is known for his skill with horses and for his culinary expertise. He marries the princess of Vidarbha kingdom, Damayanti. His main weakness is gambling. He is possessed by the demon Kali. He was also a great cook and wrote the first ever book on cookery, Paka Darpanam. Let's see about Purukutsa. Purukutsa was a famous king in the Ikshvaku dynasty. He was the eldest son of Mandata and Bindumati. The Gandharvas had defeated and conquered the land of Nagas, and it is believed that the Nagas took the help of this brave king to defeat Mauniya Gandharvas. The Nagas gave Purukutsa their princess Narmada Devi as his wife for saving their kingdom. They both went to a forest near Kurukshetra and attained moksha. Let's see about Pururava. Pururava was the first king of the Aila dynasty or the Chandravamsha. According to the Vedas, he is a legendary entity associated with Surya, the sun, and Usha, the dawn, and is believed to reside in the middle region of the galaxy. The Rigveda states that he was a son of Ila and was saintly ruler. However, the Mahabharata states that Ila was both his mother and his father. According to the Vishnu Purana, his father was Buddha and he was the ancestor of the tribe of Pururavas, from whom descended the Yadavas, Kauravas, Pandavas of the Mahabharata. Let's know about Sagara. In the Jain tradition, Sagara was the younger brother of Bhagwan Ajitanath Swami, son of Kshatriya king Sumitra and queen Vaijayanti of Ikshvaku dynasty in Ayodhya. In Hindu mythology, Sagara is a prominent king of the Suryavansha dynasty in Vidarbha. Lastly, let's see about Kartavirya Arjuna. Kartavirya Arjuna, also known as Sahasrabahu Arjuna or Sahasrarjuna, was a legendary king of an ancient Haihayas kingdom with the capital of Mahishmati, which is on the banks of Narmada river in the current state of Madhya Pradesh. Kartavirya Arjuna was son of Kritavirya, king of Haihayas. He is described as having 1,000 hands and a great devotee of God Dattatreya. One of the several such accounts states that Arjuna conquered Mahishmati city from Karkotaka Naga, a Naga chief, and made it his barrier capital. Kartavirya Arjuna is not to be confused with Arjuna in Pandavas, who is another major character in Mahabharata. Kartavirya Arjuna was the longest ruling Chakravarti Samrat of the Vedic era. Let's see the Telugu explanation in our next episode. Till then, bye. Thank you.